Is vitamin D3 really necessary for good health? If you want to know, continue with this video. There is a lot of controversy about whether we need vitamin D or not. Studies have been made that show vitamin D does not give you the benefits that are talked about. Yet there are other studies that show tremendous benefits from using a good amount of vitamin D. In this video, I want to show you what we know about vitamin D3, and you can decide whether you want to use this vitamin. Should you use vitamin D3? Did you know, recent discoveries found that supplementation with vitamin D can prevent and treat at least 17 types of cancers. What about vitamin D? How do we know if we need it or not? Well, we know, there are many studies that show most of us are deficient in vitamin D. And, if you are over 65, for sure, you are short on this vitamin. Vitamin D turns on and off over 1,000 genes to activate their function. If you look at the benefits you get from vitamin D, you will not want to be short on this vitamin. The following list shows only a few of the benefit you get with the proper blood levels of vitamin D. Here are some of the vitamin D3 benefits. First, it lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease, and lowers the risk of cancer, colon, prostate, respiratory infections, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease. It also decreases the effects of autoimmune disorders, and it decreases the risk of cardiovascular and stroke issues. Finally, it reduces the risk of forming osteoporosis. However, there are many more benefits, but the list is too long to mention here. But it is not good enough to just take vitamin D without taking other minerals that support it. To gain the benefits of vitamin D, you will need to take a supplement that contains the following nutrients. For vitamin D3, take around 4,000 to 8,000 IU. Now, this will help you transport calcium from your gut lining into your blood. So, without vitamin D it will be difficult to get calcium into your body. But, you also get vitamin D from being out in the sun and just a little from certain foods. Magnesium is the third most important nutrient in bone building, after calcium and vitamin D. So, with magnesium take around 1,000 to 1,500 mg, magnesium's absorption is enhanced by vitamin D just as calcium is. Once calcium is in your blood, magnesium gives calcium the ability to bind quickly and strongly with important biological molecules throughout your body. Now, calcium is involved in more biochemical activities in your body than any other mineral. So, it's best to use 1,000 to 1,500 mg of calcium. And, it's important to supply your body with a good amount of calcium. Also, remember you can't get calcium into your blood without vitamin D's help. Next, vitamin K2 helps to route your calcium to the right locations in your body. So, you want to use 200 to 500 milligrams of vitamin K2. It also has many other functions, but this is what it does in this formulation. K2 also prevents calcium from building up along your arteries and accumulating in your soft tissue and bones. ACA, Mg, K2, and vitamin D3 formulation. Now, this combination of all of these nutrients is probably one of the most important health concepts you need to get right. Since the power of vitamin D3 has the potential to diminish, alleviate, and prevent many of the diseases and body conditions that you might suffer from. So, don't count on just getting enough vitamin D3 from the sun. It may not happen.
Hi, Rudy Silva here, natural nutritionist. So if you want to discover more about calcium, magnesium, K2, and vitamin D3, here is what you can do. Now, you can learn more about calcium, magnesium, K2, and vitamin D3. I have written a book that will help you understand the relationship between these nutrients. Hey, thanks for taking time to view my video. You can look forward to more videos. Click the link below to head over to Amazon to pick up my vitamin D book in digital form or paperback.